Bharathesh.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, man. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, Bharathesh. So this is Aruna from Quality Department, Bharathesh. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. So
Okay.
before starting with, congratulations for your placements.
I'm Bharathesh. So, I graduated from Global Academy of Technology. So,
Okay.
I got to know CMTI through my mutual friend. So, he previously worked here. He also was appointed as an engineer from a very good company through CMTI. So, I got reference through my friend, and now I'm here. I also got placed in a very good company. So,
So what and all you learned in CMTI apart from your college syllabus?
So in my engineering days, they only the normal the syllabus beyond syllabus they want to go to school. So in CMTA, I learned a lot about sequence of construction and the process of all the practical aspects, and I learned many softwares here, and also what kind of jobs related to civil and both interiors.
Okay. So what about your site training and all? How was that?
So yeah, apart from other practical knowledge providing in college, so in CMK we also received many site visits. So we went to many factories, many construction sites. So there was Redappa sir is taught us many things about site and the site knowledge and practical aspects.
So coming to your trainers and all, how was that? How was Natarajan sir, Anand sir, Gandhi sir? How was their training, Bharathesh? Can you tell me about that?
Yeah, of course. Faculty has been a great support for me. So I've learned many things, especially from Natarajan sir and Yashas sir. So they are my favorites. So I learned many things like estimation, surveying, all general things that civil engineer should know. All the practical knowledge that we have to apply in the field. All that I've learned from my faculty. So I'm very thankful for that.
Okay, fine. So coming to your software training, how was that?
So softwares I have learned in the college days. They will only teach us about basic AutoCAD 2D. So here you will get like a very good hands-on training. So very pin-to-pin aspects of every shortcuts, every skill you can learn. So I've learned about AutoCAD SketchUp, and they will also teach SketchUp for interiors. And I learned MSP, that is Microsoft Project Management. So these are will be very info for on-field.
So yeah, what about CMTI app and all? How was that?
Of course, during my days in CMK, they also provided the app for extra knowledges. So we can learn many things, like we can practice about metro construction and being site engineer, and also there is a related to interior aspects also, and we can also take like tests based on whatever you are learning. Like you can, if you want to take an AutoCAD test, you can take an AutoCAD test. I also took a few other software-based tests also, and if some few of the courses are free, so I also learn in them.
That is good to hear from you, Bharathesh.
Of course.
Okay. So yeah, how was Ashok sir career guidance and all?
Yes, Ashok sir also he is a busy person, as we know that he brings other guest lectures during the courses. So I have had many guest lectures on green buildings and other plot developments. So this that was very helpful, and Ashok sir has always been supportive.
So how was the CMTI staffs and all? Whether it is a HR coordination, schedule coordination?
So through the faculty, we have learned practical knowledge. So other than that, of course, They are like simple things like how to dress formally and how to behave in workplace. Those things help a lot. And being an HR, how to say about the HR department, they were very supportive. Every interview or previous tell to prepare me, to how to be in an interview, how to dress, how to answer few questions. So those help me a lot.
Yeah, and I hope you're happy with your placements.
Of course, ma'am. Thank you. I personally wish to thank Jyota ma'am, our HR. So I've been through many interviews and were few problems for me. They guided me a lot, and now I'm placed in a very good company. And thank you for that.
Okay. So, what about your confidence level and all, Bharathesh? How was that? Any changes before joining CMT and after joining CMT?
Yeah, of course. After completing my BE, so I attended few interviews. That is before CMBA. So in that, the questions they were asking were very difficult before because I did know anything. So after coming to same day, I learned a lot, and simultaneously my confidence also grew. So of course they taught us how to interact in the interview. I had a couple of interviews after same day, so I was very confident in that because I had knowledge about the field also, which the industry requires. So I'm very confident now.
So, finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
So CMT is a very good platform to learn about practical aspects, especially. So what they taught in college is not enough for the field industry. So if you want extra and basic knowledge, who are just about to enter the civil industry, CMT is a very good platform.
Thank you, Bharathesh. Thanks so much for your feedback. All the best for your future.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So, once again, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, Bharathesh.
Thank you.